Sitting at my keyboard, trying to make sense. A few short hours ago, they put up the fence. Daimler Truck in Portland, closing down the line. 3 short months left on this legacy of mine. I'm not riding for revenge, not looking for a fight, just hoping someone remembers the people here tonight. 18 years old, fresh out of high school, Daddy Keith said, son, don't play the fool. He gave me 30 years of faith, opened up the door. My daddy showed me how to walk across that floor. Behind the factory doors, there's more than just steel. There's a lifetime of memories that time cannot steal. I grew up in these halls, earned my keep, earned my name. Found the love of my life, learned to roll with the pain. It's not just an empty building on an empty piece of land. It's the story of a working man's hand. I became a father here, became a supervisor too. When my dad passed away, the crew carried me through. They stopped being co-workers, turned into my own kin. One ordinary day at a time, beneath my skin. Now every single morning I look across the floor and watch my own son walk through those same front doors. 2 little grandbabies waiting back at home. Hoped he'd pass it down when he was fully grown. Now in just 90 days, under October skies, we'll walk out together with tears in our eyes. Behind the factory doors, there's more than just steel. There's a lifetime of memories that time cannot steal. I grew up in these halls, earned my keep, earned my name. Found the love of my life, learned to roll with the pain. It's not just an empty building on an empty piece of land. It's the story of a working man's hand. People see an empty lot, but I see the pride. The food carts at lunch, the train we couldn't hide. We adapted, we changed, tried to keep the lights on bright. Sometimes circumstances grow too big for the night. Mr. President, hear me, I ain't asking for a cure. Just remember the people who kept the foundation sure. Behind the factory doors, there's more than just steel. There's a lifetime of memories that time cannot steal. I grew up in these halls, earned my keep, earned my name. Found the love of my life, learned to roll just an empty building on an empty piece of land. It's the story of a working man's hand. October 30th comes and the doors close tight, but nobody takes away what was given to my sight. An 18-year-old kid got a chance to be free. For some, it was a job. For me, it was my legacy.